Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we are using red color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using red color and now we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Subscribe to our channel. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is F. We again use red color. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is G. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw H. H for hand. The next one is I for ice cream. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw the alphabet of K. The next one is K. Now we draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mangoes. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is O. O for orange. Now we draw the alphabet of P. P for parrot. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Now we draw the alphabet of T. The next one is U. Now we draw the alphabet of V. And the next one is W. Now we draw X. The alphabet of X. The next one is Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.